We'll guide you through how to fix Amazon Prime Video not working on a smart TV. If you find this video useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll keep this guide broad so you can follow along on your smart TV. Now, you may be in the position of where something's not working while you're in it, or maybe you can't even open it up. Don't worry, we've got some different things you can try doing. So first of all, you just go and power off your TV like so. Now you want to go to the wall outlet, turn it off like this, and you can then go and unplug it. Come back to the TV and you need to go and find the physical power button. In this case, it's just under the logo. Yours may be to the left or to the right. Now tap and hold it for 60 seconds. After this time passes, release. Go and turn it back on at the wall and plug it in. Come back to your TV and turn it back on. And then you want to come back to Prime Video. We'll find it in apps. Go and open it up and see if the problem's now solved. If it still isn't, then what we want to do is come back to it. And in this TV, you need to go and tap and hold on this middle button. You may go and have an options button in your remote. What you can then do is go and delete it. After you've done that, go back to the store and you can go and download it again. Doing this can often go and solve the problem. This TV has a reinstall feature, so I can just tap there and wait. We can then open it up and hopefully now the problem's solved.